Welcome to my channel M Karmakar. This question is from trigonometry. Evaluate cos 40 degree, cos 100 degree, cos 160 degree. First write the question. Cos 40 degree, cos evaluate means we have to find the numerical value of this expression. Here see cos 40 degree, we don't know the value of cos 40 degree because it is not standard value or table value. In the table value there is given the values of trigonometric function of 0 degree, 30 degree, 45 degree, 60 degree and 90 degree. So we have to use the formula such that we are able to convert standards degrees. 40 degree, this angle is less than 90 degree. 100 degree, this angle is greater than 90 degree. 160 degree, this angle is greater than 90 degree. So we will use the formula such that these two angles can be converted into less than is equal to 90 degree. We know this formula. Cos of 180 degree minus theta is equal to minus cos theta, because 180 degree up to this angle minus theta, that means angle is falling in the second quadrant cos negative. Use this formula, write this cos 40 degree cos 180 degree minus 80 degree, because if we subtract 80 degree from 180 degree we will have 100 degree. So we have written exactly same thing in different form. Similarly we will write 180 degree minus, to get 60 degree we have to write here 20 degree. Now see, using this formula what we can write, cos of 40 degree cos 180 minus theta minus cos theta, here theta means 80 degree, minus, in this case, minus 20 degree. Reduce this in more simplified form, what will write, and arranging as per the values of angles. So first writing this, and here see one thing, minus and minus will be plus. So first writing cos of 20 degree is, then cos of 40 degree, then cos of 80 degree. See, here is one important thing is 20 degree, 40 degree, 80 degree. These three degrees are in GP. That means if we multiply 20 by 2, we will get 40 degree. If we multiply 40 degree by 2, we will get 80 degree. So memorize a formula in multiple angles. 2 sin theta cos theta is equal to sin 2 theta. Our formula is reversible. That means we can write sin 2 theta is equal to 2 sin theta cos theta. So if we have here 2 sin 20 degree, then one formula, that means this formula can be used, will be sin 40 degree. Even formula may be used continuously. So to do so, 2 sin 20 degree cos 20 degree, first writing cos 40 degree cos 80 degree. But see the last step and last part was step not maintaining equality. But if we divide this whole expression by 2 sin 20 degree, then equality will be maintained because 2 sine 20, 2 sine 20 will be cancelled out. The remaining portion is equal to the last part one step. 2 sine 20 cos 20. Like this 2 sine theta cos theta. So use this formula. Sine of 2 theta means 2 into 20 degree, 40 degree, cos 40 degree, cos 80 degree by 2 sine 20 degree. First reducing numerator, so denominator as it is. I can say sine theta cos theta. If we write here 2, similar formula can be used. So writing here 2, another 2 in the denominator into. So 2 sine theta cos theta is equal to sine 2 40 degree, 80 degree, cos of 80 degree by 2 into 2 4 sine 20 degree. Again sine 80 cos 80, writing another 2 in the numerator and another 2 is the denominator. So sine 2 sine theta cos theta, that means sine 2 into 80, that means 160 degree by 2 into 4 8 sine 20 degree. Here if we add 160 degree and 20 degree, 180 degree. So obviously we can use the formula sine 180 degree minus theta, that is equal to sine theta. In this case positive because 180 degree minus theta, second quadrant sine positive. So writing here 180 degree 20 degree, the denominator 8 20 degree. So write here sine 20 degree. How it is written shown here 8 sine 20 will get cancelled. Finally 1 by 8, which is the numerical value of the given expression. That means the answer is, what is the question? Cos 40 degree cos 160 degree, that is equal to 1 by 8. This is the end of the question. Thank you for watching this video.